This demonstration is presented by AltaCX Corp and gives some guidelines on when to use OneDrive and SharePoint apps. Both are secure Microsoft Online file storing applications. Files are available anytime, anywhere, on any device. OneDrive for Business is ideal for individuals storing their personal business documents, or limited sharing of a document between several people. You'll see their changes and they'll see yours in real time. It's not ideal for group work because the documents and the sharing are tied to a single user. You can always upload to a SharePoint site if a team needs access. It could be thought of as the cloud version of the My Documents folder on your work computer. SharePoint is ideal for group work. You can store documents that are intended to be collaborative. Everyone on the team has access to the documents. Administration isn't tied to an individual. It could be thought of like an internal website and a traditional file server alternative. To access OneDrive, just log into portal.office.com and select OneDrive. You can upload files. You can create new folders and documents. You can also access OneDrive by searching for and selecting the OneDrive desktop app. You can also install the app on your mobile devices. And there's OneDrive. You can also access it using just the standard Windows File Explorer. You can also save a file to OneDrive from within the desktop app itself. And there's OneDrive. To access SharePoint, go back to portal.office.com and select SharePoint. Select the site that you want, and then you'll select the Documents link. And this will display the folders and documents contained in this site. To open a document, you just simply click on it, same as you do in OneDrive. If you select this button here and select the ellipses, you'll have access to a bunch of other options that you can do with this file. Similar to when you click this ellipsis here, and all of these options are available. Thank you for watching this video. If you require some additional information or you have some questions, please give us a call at 403-398-2497 or send an email to support@altacx.com.